Okay, so how did you like cutting your okra? You know there are people that like cutting okra like this. Understand? Like this, like this, like this. Uh-huh. Sorry, sorry. Like this, okay? So let me bring it and show you. There are people that like cutting okra like this. So I think people that normally cut like this, they will, after cutting it, they have to smash with mortar or with anything they have. They have to pound it a little, okay? So, but me, I don't like cutting my okra. See how I like cutting my okra. This is medium size. Yeah, this is the medium size. I like cutting my okra. So, how do you like cutting your okra? Do you think it's like this, better like this, or the small, 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 or the big size like this? Yeah, I don't like this. I think okra should be gotten this way. So what do you think about this? Use your comment section, okay? Yeah, thank you.